Alrighty, so we're all in the same clothes because we went to the flea market today and then we decided to take the baby, my nephew, who I have tonight, to the museum. So we're gonna see what kind of fun we can have with him. Alright, so there's Kennedy, and there's Addison, and they're pushing the baby. And we're gonna go to the Museum of Nature and Science. We are members here. We've been members for goodness 16, 17 years. We've been a member to the Denver Zoo for 19 years. 18 years, however old Joey is. But here we go, some fun. We're on the elevator. We are going to Brain Teasers. It's a new exhibit that they have, and we're gonna see. The girls and Adam were here a week ago, last week sometime, and they couldn't really do anything, so now we're gonna see what they're doing. When they were here last week, they did the Dead Sea Schools. I guess it was okay, not what we quite thought it was going to be. We have to wait in line here. There's a lot of different puzzles to do in here and to try different things and to see what you can do. Right. We were in the mastermind things for about 9 minutes. The goals were done, so we left. Now we're gonna go look at dinosaurs. Look, it's the hip bone.
No, it's like further on the ground. Surprise! We're going to see dinosaurs.
Some rhinos. Oh.
She's standing in mirror as it's called jazz.
Addison. It's really beautiful. Like, this is the original, and we're on, it's added on. They added around to the outside of it. It's very nice. So there, the brick, that's all the original part. Here is a replica of the original building that was built in 1903 and then had the West Wing added, I believe, in 1908. So this was the part that was to the side that I was showing you, and this was the part that was in front of us. So a couple of the nice things about being a member is we can go as fast as we want or as slow as we want. When other children don't listen, Addison and Kennedy don't like it when they don't follow rules. So that's why we had to leave the mind bender part, and we're quickly walking through this area because people are throwing things. But yeah, so it's nice. We can go as fast as we want or as slow as we want. The other downside about having membership to everything is we tend to just come and walk around. We don't really look, we don't really learn anything because the museum doesn't change very much. We like the zoo a lot. We're members there, as I said before, because it new babies go, and I'll be right here. And you know, with new babies and new growth and all of that, so that's. So this was 1909 or 08, and this was the original. So where the bricks are, bricks there, and then these bricks are the original. The museum is fun. We usually come early in the morning so that it's not too crowded. But what's really pretty about the Denver Museum of Nature and Science is you can see the skyline, and then you're at City Park, which is really pretty. And then those trees, that's the Denver Zoo. But it's nice.
It's much later in the evening. Everybody is asleep. We are at my sister's house because it's easier to watch the baby here and her two dogs instead of bringing everybody to my house and all of the baby's stuff, because he's almost 1. He'll be 1 next week, and he just sleeps easier like most kids in his bed. The girls, Addison and Kennedy, are sleeping on the couches, and I'm just came downstairs so I wouldn't wake anybody, so I can end out this vlog. Thank you for going to the museum with us, and tomorrow we're going to the zoo with my sister-in-law and the 2, and so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.